Dams are crucial for human life. They provide water for drinking, irrigation, and industry. These structures hold back enormous amounts of water. Careful engineering ensures their strength and safety. AI now enhances accuracy and efficiency in dam engineering. Traditional methods rely on mathematical formulas and physical models. These tools estimate stresses and strains on a dam, but have limitations. Formulas may not capture all real-world variables. Physical models can be expensive and time-consuming. This highlights the need for advanced approaches. Traditional methods involve simplifications. This can lead to uncertainties. As dams age, their structural integrity changes. Traditional methods may not always assess these changes. Despite limitations, traditional methods laid the foundation for dam engineering. They provided valuable insights into dam behavior and design principles. The advent of AI is transforming this field. Artificial intelligence, or AI, offers a new approach to dam engineering. AI algorithms can analyze massive datasets. This includes historical data, sensor readings, and weather patterns. AI can identify patterns and trends that traditional methods might miss. This leads to more accurate and reliable strength predictions. AI can create sophisticated simulations. These simulations mimic real-world conditions, including extreme events. This allows engineers to test the dam's resilience under various scenarios. AI-powered systems provide real-time monitoring. Sensors on the dam collect data on stress, strain, and environmental factors. AI analyzes this data instantly, detecting anomalies and potential issues. Different AI algorithms are used in dam engineering. Machine learning algorithms identify patterns in historical data. This helps predict future dam behavior. Deep learning algorithms analyze complex data, such as images and sensor readings. This allows for early detection of structural defects or changes. Natural language processing, or NLP algorithms, extract information from text-based data. This includes maintenance records and engineering reports. NLP helps create a comprehensive understanding of the dam's history. These algorithms work together to provide a holistic view of the dam's condition. This enables engineers to make informed decisions regarding maintenance, repairs, and safety measures.